So Google just dropped 5 new NotebookLM features, which makes it one of the smartest research and idea generation tool ever. So in this video, we are going to all these features. So some of them are: first, deep research; number two, auto summary that feel like a psychic instant voice-based learning; and three more features. So don't go anywhere and stay all the way till the end. Make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer it again. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Avdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I have been researching on AI and sharing my knowledge on this channel. So now let's get into it. So this is Notebook LM from Google. And if you have not used it earlier or you're looking at it first time, then you can just go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your regular Google ID. After that, you can just go here, click create notebook. Now what it does is actually it helps you with research and analysis. So imagine you have 80-page PDF and 20 hours of material you have to go through. So you can upload those sources here and ask NotebookLM to create a summary. So it can summarize it, it can create flashcards and hundreds of things. You can create quizzes also. So for my kid, I created quizzes for Science Olympiad by putting all the data here. So that's basically NotebookLM for those who have not used it. Let's discuss some of the new features. The first feature is this deep research feature. Okay. So what it means is, uh, you know, you provide a topic which you want to research, and then you can use either web to search through the data or provide source of data which you may already have. It is going to do a deep research, think extra long, similar to what it does in other LLM models, and provide you results. So let's try it out. So let's search for how to build a six pack app. And then currently we are using web. So let's use this. So it is going to go through web and search some of the sources. So now it has find these sources for us. And what we can do is we can import these sources in NotebookLM and use it as a research. So if you want, you can remove some of them or add some of them, uh, but in this case, right, let's import all of these sources. So these sources will appear on the left side. Now NotebookLM is working and it is creating a summary for us. Okay. If we had not used deep research, then we would have to provide all these sources and search different sources from the web or ourselves. Now let's discuss feature number 2, which is dynamic audio overview. So previously, when you click on it, it provides overview. But now if you click on this icon here, it provides you multiple options. So you can have a deep dive format where it provides lively conversation between two hosts. And sometime back, if you remember, that was the only option available. But now you can also have a brief where bite-size overview to help understand the content, or you can have a critique where expert is doing expert level critique it's providing, or you can have a debate style where two people are debating about a topic and providing their feedback. So for our example, let's just use a brief overview. Let's generate. Let's give it a few minutes. It is going to generate an audio overview for us. You can also use it for podcasts or even for your learning perspective, right? Many people like to listen to content rather than reading it. If you are one of those folks, instead of reading through 100 200 pages of data, you can just create a quick summary and use these audio overviews to enhance your learning. It is generating audio over.
This is the brief on getting visible abs and separating what's genetics from what's actually effort. So let's get right into it and break down the real truth behind getting that defined midsection. Whether it's a 4, 6, or even an 8 pack, that's 100% down to your genetics.
Okay, so here it is a audio overview. So I like the voice and the way it was presenting, and you can do same thing for any of the topic you want to. So feature number 3 is related to video overview. So if you click on this icon, you can now choose from multiple styles. So previously, if you remember, you just had this classic style to create an overview, but now you can have this whiteboard based and different kind of styles where it will provide you video overview of your content. You can have a brief video where bite size overview it is providing, or you can have an explainer video. So currently let's use this whiteboard kind of a style and this brief overview of this content, and let's hit generate. Okay, so our video overview is generated, so let's check it out.
All right, let's break down the real science of getting that six pack you see everywhere. We've all seen the crazy promises online, but what does it actually take to get visible abs? And nope, it's not just about doing a million crunches.
Okay, yep, sounds interesting, right? uh, so same way you can try it for any content you are having, or whatever research you are doing. Now feature number 4 is the presentation, um, or the slide deck. So currently, for some reason, this feature is unavailable, but they will be making it available soon. It is already made available for few users, and it sometimes comes and goes. So what it means is, like, if you want to create a slide presentation of the content, and you want to present somewhere, just click on it and it will create a beautiful slide deck for you. um, so, and in that also it provides two options. If you want to just share that slide with your audience, you can have that option, download it, share it. Or it also has a presenter option where you can have the slide deck and corresponding material, where when you're presenting you will have the notes, which you can refer during presentation. So this is pretty cool, and it will help a lot of people I know in improving their presentations and all. Feature number 5 which we'll be discussing is flashcard. So again, let's go to this kind of a pencil icon, or edit icon, and there if you go, you have multiple options. So you can have a fewer flashcards, more flashcards, or based on the difficulty level, whether you want to create easy, medium, or hard. And as I was telling, right, so when my kid was preparing for science olympiad, we were able to create these flashcards. So when you're just starting to learn a subject, maybe it's better to go start with the easy level, and then when you master it, you can move from medium to hard and master a particular topic. So it's good for especially students who are preparing for some kind of a competitive exam, or olympiad or things like that. So let's try to do it. Let's do it a easy and fewer flashcards. Let's hit generate. Now let's check out the flashcards which it has generated for us. So here you see the question which is marked, and then you can see the answers by clicking on it. Same way, go ahead and see answer, and so on and so forth. So for any topic you can do whatever learnings you're having, in any exam, olympiad, or maybe if you're trying to learn some subject and you're taking any certification, licensing, whatever may be the case, this can help you. So thanks for staying all the way to the end. So some of the free resources which you can use, and I have dropped a link below. First is a complete course on AI agents, which will help you in learning AI agents and how you can automate most of your tasks. And another resource is, like, major tips and tricks related to ChatGPT. It'll help you in using ChatGPT and other LLMs to fullest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.